The Greta Thunberg of India, 7-year-old Licipriya has won the World Children's Peace Prize from the government of Maldives, as also World Peace Index Australia. She is a climate activist at a time when India is fighting and has taken the forefront in the fight against climate change. We have this young girl over here who tells not just India but the world that it's time to reclaim their resources, it's theirs, and we should respect their future. Licipriya, many thanks for joining us. Why did you think of climate change and get involved? What is climate change to you?
I'm scared when on television I see people suffering and dying because of earthquake, flood, landslide, etc. I cry when on television I see people suffering and dying because of very disaster of lack of awareness.
Okay.
My country has many disasters like earthquake, flood, landslide, etc. My heart feels sorrow for people who cannot help themselves when disasters strike. These are all the impact of climate change. These are the motivation to work on climate change.
Licipriya, tell me something. What are the things that you have done as a citizen, as somebody who's fighting climate change? What are the things that you have done to make people aware or to make this world a better place?
I'm growing hundreds of trees in many places and many different countries.
Okay.
And I'm cleaning the seas.
Okay.
And I'm telling to the people of the world to not throw plastics in the river, ocean, seas, in road, in anywhere.
Okay.
And I'm cleaning the plastics, and I'm telling don't throw plastic, any garbage. And I'm recycling these plastics.
Okay.
And I'm telling to them to recycle the plastic. If they will not, then how these trees can live?
Yeah, absolutely.
And they will cut some trees, and we can die.
Absolutely. Is there anything in terms of your dreams? What do you dream of becoming when you grow up?
Scientist.
What scientist?
I just want to make many gadgets to help others to make the seeds of trees or any plants or flowers.
Okay.
That we can live happily.
Okay. That's the motivation of a 7-year-old. World has to wake up. You have to wake up. She is talking about beating plastic pollution and making this planet a better place. And we are yet to wake up. It's time that you leave resources for the future generations like Licipriya as well. Many thanks for joining us, Licipriya. It is indeed not just pleasure, but I'm proud of the fact that this young Indian over here has taken the world, gone across the world trying to send across the message of cleanliness, of a better planet, of a better environment. With video journalist Kuldeep in New Delhi, Geeta Mohan for India Today.